multiple choice questions. Question 1. Taught mankind in the 16th century that the Earth and the other planets revolved around the Sun? A. Vasco da Gama. B. Albert Einstein. C. Copernicus. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer. C. Copernicus. Question 2. The Earth's vital signs reveal a patient in health. A. Declining. B. Prospering. C. Thriving. D. Excellent. Answer. A. Declining. Question 3. In the words of Dr. Myers, the tropical forest is A. Important for agriculture. B. Not important. C. The powerhouse of evolution. D. Less useful than industries. Answer. C. The powerhouse of evolution. Question 4. What did the sign in the zoo in Alaska read? A. Animal. B. Lion. C. The world's most dangerous animal. D. Warning. Answer. C. The world's most dangerous animal. Question 5. What is the best contraceptive for overpopulation? A. Development. B. Education. C. By saving water. D. Reforestation. Answer. A. Development. Question 6. What is the meaning of holistic and ecological view? A. The preservation of the environment. B. Saving of the water resources. C. Saving trees. D. Rainwater harvest. Answer. A. The preservation of the environment. Question 7. Scientists have catalogued about species with which mankind shares the Earth living. A. 1.4 million. C. 1.8 million. B. 1.6 million. D. 1.2 million. Answer. A. 1.4 million. Question 8. Who wrote the book The Global Economic Prospect? A. L.K. Jar. B. Lester Brown. C. James Beth. D. Edgar S. Willard. Answer. B. Lester R. Brown. 9. We said that tropical forests are the powerhouse of evolution. B. L.K. Jar. A. Edgar S. Willard. C. Dr. Myers. D. James Beth. Answer. C. Dr. Myers. 10. Every 4 days the world population increases by A. 1.3 millip. B. 1 million. C. 1.7 million. D. 500,000. Answer. B. 1 million. Short answer type questions. Question 1. What is the significance of green movement in the modern world?
आधुनिक विश्व में हरित आंदोलन का क्या महत्व है?
Answer. The green movement has brought a great awareness among people. It has taught us that we are just partners on the earth sharing this planet with other living organisms. Having learnt this, human beings worldwide have reduced the large amount of destruction being caused on Earth. People have realized that the Earth's existence has been threatened and have begun to do whatever was possible individually. Question 2. What do you understand by the green movement?
हरित आंदोलन से आप क्या समझते हैं?
Answer. The Green Movement was founded in 1972 in New Zealand and brought great awareness to humanity about preserving our planet for the future. It taught us that we are only partners, having equal rights as any other organism to live on Earth. The Green Movement has made people realize that Earth's existence was threatened, and so they started to do whatever was possible to save it through the efforts of each individual and each nation. They reduced the large amount of destruction that was caused to the various economic systems on Earth. Question 3. What shift in human perception has been seen as a result of the Green Movement?
हरित आंदोलन के परिणाम स्वरूप मानव धारणा में क्या बदलाव देखा गया है?
Answer. Man's view shut the Earth was earlier a mechanistic view. But now it has moved towards a holistic and ecological view of the world. This shift in perception is revolutionary. For the first time in human history, there is a growing worldwide consciousness that Earth itself is a living organism, an enormous being of which we are parts. It has its own metabolic needs and vital processes which need to be respected and preserved. Question 4. Why is Earth said to be an ailing planet?
क्यों पृथ्वी को एका बीमार ग्रह कहा जाता है?
Answer. Due to the insensitive exploitation of Earth's resources by humans for their survival and development, Earth has lost almost all its vital resources. With drying rivers, depleted and polluted environment, and deteriorated forests and greenery, Earth is having a difficult time to survive, and thus, it is said to be an ailing planet. Question 5. What question did the first Brent report raise?
प्रथम ब्रेंट रिपोर्ट ने क्या प्रश्न उठाए?
Answer. One of the early international commissions which dealt with
the question of ecology and environment was the Brand Commission. The first Brand report raised the question: are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes, and ailing environment? Question 6. How are Earth's principal biological systems important?
पृथ्वी की प्रमुख जैविक प्रणालियां क्यों महत्वपूर्ण हैं?
Answer. Mr. Lester Brown, in his thoughtful book, The Global Economic Prospect, points out that Earth's principal biological systems are 4 fisheries, forests, grasslands, and croplands. They form the foundation of the global economic system. They supply our entire needs of food, besides providing virtually all the raw materials for industry except minerals and petroleum-derived synthetics. Question 7. What is the cause of the collapse of fisheries?
मत्स्य पालन के पतन के क्या कारण हैं?
Answer. Fisheries have collapsed due to overfishing. Fish are an important source of protein which is essential for growth. With the spread of education, people all over the world have become conscious about consuming proteins. This has led to fishermen trying to meet the demand for fish by overfishing, leading to the collapse of fisheries. Question 8. What happens when the productivity of the principal biological systems gets impaired?
क्या होता है कि जब प्रमुख जैविक प्रणालियों की उत्पादकता क्षीण होती है?
Answer. In large areas of the world, human claims on the principal biological systems are reaching such an unsustainable level that their productivity is being impaired. When this happens, fisheries collapse, forests disappear, grasslands are converted into barren wastelands, and croplands deteriorate. Thus, for example, in some places firewood has become more expensive than the food which is cooked by burning the firewood. Long answer type questions. Question 1. The author in his article has brought out a very important fact that we need to preserve the planet Earth for our future generations. Do you feel that Earth is our legacy? Why not?
लेखक ने अपने लेख में बहुत आवश्यक मुद्दा उठाया है कि हमें अपनी आने वाली पीढ़ियों के लिए पृथ्वी ग्रह को सुरक्षित रखना होगा। क्या आप ऐसा मानते हो कि पृथ्वी हमारी पैतृक संपत्ति है? क्यों नहीं?
Answer. Earth is not our ancestral property. We cannot make undue claims on it. In our foolishness, we have depleted the natural resources without realizing how it is going to affect our future generations. The fruits that we eat today are the products of a tree which was not planted by us. We have to base our thought process on similar lines. What we sow today, our next generation will reap in future. Our Earth is not our legacy. In the words of Margaret Thatcher, no generation has a freehold on this Earth. All we have is a life tenancy with a full repairing lease. We should take care of Earth's resources as borrowed wealth. We can neither overuse them nor neglect them. We have to return them for the next generation to use without any damage and, if possible, with further additions. Mr. Lester Brown has rightly said, we have not inherited this earth from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. Question 2. In spite of knowing the deplorable condition of the environment, human beings only make a show of doing something about it. Elaborate.
वातावरण की शोचनीय अवस्था होने के बावजूद भी मनुष्य केवल उसके लिए कुछ करने का दिखावा करता है। विस्तार से में बताइए।
Answer. The issue of indiscriminate exploitation of nature has become an essential feature of human existence. Although sustainable development of resources is a goal for most nations, the reality is hardly so. This uncaring behavior is manifested in practices such as deforestation, destruction of wetlands, excessive mining for oil and mineral supplies, overfishing and so on. The root causes for such practices are overpopulation, inefficiency in resource utilization, overconsumption, poverty and ineffective structures such as human institutions, regulatory bodies and attitudes. Moreover, the funds meant to help in conservation of critically endangered species are being siphoned off for other causes and the concerned authorities are not taking this matter seriously.
थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके।